Welcome to Cybers for K through 12. The concept of this course is ready for your new world. We provide free, safe, and secure videos. First, let me introduce you to the exciting 3 lessons. Basics of being a YouTuber. Nada will be teaching the lesson. Hello, Nada.
Hello everyone. I'm Nada. I am looking forward to learning basics of being a YouTuber. Please let me know your ideas and dreams, such as how you want to make the world more convenient in the future through this lesson. Then, let's share your dreams with friends around the world who will learn together.
Thank you, Nada. Basics of being a YouTuber videos are available on YouTube. Have fun learning the basics with Nada.